What's up guys, it is Udio and I am back with a new video. So today what we're going to do is we're going to predict the IPL table and how it might turn out after the tournament ends. I know it's going to be a pretty difficult challenge to be honest because most of the teams are evenly matched, but I'll try and give it my best shot. So hope you guys like it and sit back and enjoy. Well, this is probably the toughest pick of them lot because obviously this is last place and I really don't know, but if there was one team I had to go for, it have to be Rajasthan Royals. And the reason is because I'm not so sure about the Indian contingent actually. They do have Sanju Samson, probably Tewatia. Else I really don't know. It's not really exciting. Even though the foreign players are very good. But then again, Jofra Archer is out for some time, so that's going to be a very big setback for them. Come on, you're missing Jofra Archer. And yeah, otherwise also, they did buy Chris Morris though, which was a very good buy in the auction, but I feel they're going to have a tough tournament this time around. So all I can say is sorry guys. So for the 7th place, I have gone for Kolkata Knight Riders. And the only reason I have gone for that is just that because I don't have a very good fail factor about them. It's only because when the players have to actually perform, I don't know, they just totally go out of form for some random reason which I really don't know why. Especially their main player, Andre Russell. I don't know when was the last time he actually played well in an IPL match. Even though the rest of the team is actually very good and if they play well, they can actually go the whole way, but it's just the form which is a big concern for me. Even though they did buy Shakib Al Hasan, it was a very good buy and a very good all-rounder, but I still think that the form is going to be a major worry for them, so I really can't give them above the 7th position. So the team which I have chosen for 6th place is Chennai Super Kings, and it's only because Chennai Super Kings to me seems as a team which needs that home advantage for some reason. I don't know what happens to them. Even look at the last year when they were in UAE, they weren't playing that good, and I just don't think they had like a plan B. So I think they're gonna suffer this year as well with that. Even though they have Suresh Raina now, and even Moeen Ali was very good buy, but I still think they'll suffer without that home advantage as such. So I think 6th position it is for them.
Few moments later.
So for the 5th position, I have gone for Punjab Kings. And the only reason why I'm doing this because I feel they are the South Africa of IPL. They were choking so bad the last season, and to be very honest, I feel that's going to continue this season as well. Even though their batting lineup is one of the best in the IPL, but I think that inconsistency is going to just kill them, and they'll probably just end up winning half their matches. So I really can't give them above the 5th position. So it's time for the top 4, and for the 4th position I have gone for Sunrisers Hyderabad, and I feel that they're going to have a very good season. They're going to be consistent as always. Their team is so settled. I am really amazed. Even in the auction they didn't really have to buy anyone. I don't know why they even went for Mujibur Rahman in the first place. So yeah, they'll play well, they'll play a good brand of cricket, but I think there are better teams than them, so I think 4th position should be good for them.
3 days later.
So the team I've chosen for the 3rd place is RCB, and I know RCB had a very good auction, especially Kyle Jamieson. He was a very good buy, and even Harshal Patel, to be honest, he's an all-rounder and he plays really well, especially in the Ranji Trophy he was playing really well. So I think they'll have a very good season, but honestly I can't put them above DC and MI at this moment. They're at another level, but RCB will have a good tournament nonetheless. So it seems like it's going to be a repeat of the 2020 finals. I've just picked DC and MI, but who do I think is going to win the whole tournament? I think it's Delhi Capitals who's going to win the tournament this time. It's just because, to be honest, I'm sick of tired of seeing MI winning the whole tournament. Like, I don't know how many times it won? 4-5 times? Yeah, that's kind of a lot, and they should themselves actually give the trophy to DC this time. But to be honest, both the squads are very good. They probably have the best Indian contingents, and that's what makes the team very good. So I feel that yes, DC will come first and MI is going to come second. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you do, please press the like button and also please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And if you want me to make more content related to IPL, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to doing it for you guys. Anyway, hope you guys take care. See ya.